it's not about being able to take. It's about just applying the same system. So, like, yeah, I could have took this. I could have. At the technicals were correct, but I need to for me to take this, I need to see at least 100 trades that play off like this. I need to know the exact rate and all that stuff. I can't say and say, well, that's good. It's about trying to look for that pattern, bro. But that's good. I'm gonna implement that. That's why tape reading is good, because tape reading allows you to collect a lot of data without even taking any trades. It literally allows you to look at raw price action and how it reacts to certain things, and then apply that stuff multiple times without taking a trade. So anyway, I don't think I got anything today. I might mess around and do it, but oh, hold on 1 second. We like the kill zone to show its hand. We don't like it needs to show sensitivity to PD arrays to tell me that it's gonna take out the whatever. It needs to tell me early on it cannot continue higher, because if it does, hey man, I say, man, but for real, we need instant. See this equal highs, right? This sign right here, boom, we just right through that. What is this? Equal lows. So to that low, I just take this. Enter the IVG. Right, enter for IVG. Expand down to that. We already had a stop on right here. No need to come back up. You need to have a reason for why price shouldn't touch back in air. If you don't have that reason and it's just pure discretionary, then you honestly, I can just say, I want to say you're gambling, unless you have strong conviction on it. But if you don't have strong conviction on the high, then you don't have a good enough reason to take that. On the high side, like this low, I can't sit here and look for the first IPG and say, well, this low is confirmed, because that's gonna cause losses, bro. Look, the IPG into right here, something like that. You put your stop at break even. Let's see, you just take this in general. It's like, dude, it's gonna go up. See that chop, and you also see it. See, it's just chopping around, and eventually it's just stop losses. So, what did it take to hit your stop loss? It took time. Time. How many bars did it create? No, for real, how much bars did it create? It created 30 bars. Why are you still in this stream? There's no hope. It should run to it, or it should just, if it doesn't run to it, you might be in a wicked type of thing. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna go for this low. In fact, it did. Okay. Anyway, next day, there's nothing. Kill zone. First thing I'm looking for. Is there any obvious targets? What do people have to stop loss at? It's going up, right? Now I look at intraday. Even though, listen, that's the thing with liquidity trading. They think that, okay, it's going up, now everybody's looking for buys. No, you want to look for the obvious places where people have to stop loss at in the session kill zones. In these kill zones, when there's a lot of whatever, we don't look where people will have the trust, their whole trust in an area, which will obviously be these ones. Now, how do I know that this low is protected? I don't. So what would I need this to? If it has somebody with it, then it's most likely false. So I took that out, took those out, cool. Now this is my objective, right there. Now if it starts showing, if it inverses this, I'll need it to, but let me just see. See, now it took out, I want to fully caught up by side, but see how these highs, like this relative view highs. Okay, cool. Objective was took. Alright, why did I enter in this? Because I just felt like it was gambling. Yes, we took out that high, yes. But I didn't feel as though it was guaranteed. I didn't feel like this would be a valid loss if I took this. Why? Because we created relative view highs. We've spent way too much time in that area. I want something clear, easy, you know? I'm gonna start looking into V-shapes, man. I'm being honest. I really am. That's the 4 hour. Really about start looking for V-shapes, for real. I think that's my missing key or something like that. Like a strong V-shape. This will be very obvious. Just continue on. Does it look like anything I want to trade here? Alright, yeah, we took it this high, but what are we reacting off of? You can say, see if this wick. Okay. But it's nothing really. Yes, this was a nice point of liquidity, but really nothing. Could it not have easily reacted off of OTE and then went back high, took out these highs? Could it not have did that? It could. If I took out these highs. But that's my objective now. I like spots where people are like this. This kind of scares my name. Why? People will be confident because that low is, that high is old. But if it started to go, yeah, I don't think we're gonna take it. At this point, no. At this point, you just want to look for retracement into V shape. So you can go in 15 cents for this. Retracement to V shape. Bam. But I'll just take read that. You see that I didn't take. Okay, yeah, we got a 1-to-1 on that. Indeed. What the frick am I buying up there for? Relative equal highs. Equal highs. Nah. I can confidently say there's nothing. See that stop putt? See that V shape? See the equal highs? See that SMT? Perfect. V shape, stop putt, equal highs. Take out a low. Took out the low. Also 30-minute inbounds. But that's what else. Now look. This is good to take. Let me see. 730 is not a kill zone, but well, 730 is actually, it's valid. But I want to bring your attention to this. Relative equal highs. Old relative equal highs. V shape. Imbalance. Stop on. Can that still lose? Of course. I should have taken that. Because it was 730. But yo, just instantly go down. Gosh dang. My own life is true. Yeah, so like in this case, there's nothing obvious. You know? It's like I can try to predict. But okay, this is getting better. That's better. That's something that I can see happen for sure. In fact, get the inverse. We did just take out that low. We are reacting from C of this fair right gap. Just had a V shape. I'm gonna take retest. See that CSD. See how much time we're spending. Terrible. V-shape once again, and then surprise. This is great actually. I like this. There's nothing. Can you see anything right now? Where would you want to? This is pretty low. What would you simply want to aim for? Tell me. What would you want to see? What would you need to see? Is this low protected? Is it? It could be. It could just hit OTE. You just hold it up there. It could. But am I trying to predict that? No. We're looking for a target. A specific target. And if it's not there, I just don't participate. It's a fact. It could be in 1 minute. It could be in 15. It goes anywhere. But a target like this. Relative equal, right? Relative equal low. You think price will buy up to? You think price will willingly? People buy it right there. People are trying to pick reversals from right here. So what's the first thing I'm looking for? V-shape, CISD. Okay, super liquidity. V-shape. Alright, so we took our from liquidity again. With this fair gap, I'm gonna need this to literally just crash down. Right now. Yeah. If it doesn't crash down right now. Nice. Earliest sign. That is gonna reverse. Now, why would I be confident to say this high is not gonna get stopped up? Why? Because number one, we are already in discount. And we had our CISD. Now we have CISD in a discount in a PD array with a clear draw with a V shape. It's not an IVG. It's not an IVG at all. The high is 9.1. This low is 9.1. That's not a. That's tough. That's tough. Anyway. You can say, well, you could have just 30 seconds. That's nothing on 30 seconds either. Anyway. Pretty stay low right there. I'm assuming it may go down pretty stay low. Or I have an assumption. I need this. This is my dealing range. I need this 50% to stay sensitive. It's not sensitive at all. Meaning we're not bearish. And V-shape. V-shape. Are these old lows? This is worth take read, but I doubt it's gonna win. Okay, one. Now what are these? Low resistance, old highs. We just took our sell side. Like, come on. Now you tell me which one is looking A plus now. We just took our sell side. We have them. Whatever. We just have them to 5 minute. Whatever, give me one on, okay. 5 minute. We have V shape reversal. That's old. Now when it comes on the external highs like this, okay, this gives me more of a valid reason. That gives me more of a valid reason now. To the point I'm confident to this. We have multiple like that in that V shape, because that gives me, once it adds on to more old highs, lets me know that that's gonna run or should run. Now, why would I put a break even? It should run, no? Now at this point I'll put a break even. I want to see it run past that. Okay. Alright, cool. I mean, it just targets you, but that's fine. I didn't want to see a deep retracement like this. I'll recommend it to just run past them highs and then you take that I was the, obviously, like to the tick, I was the freaking, that's 200. What is this? The low of this candle is 200. Like, so obviously I was that's funny. Anyway, I'm really not looking for anything. I don't see nothing too clear. We did just have that V shape. I think on my side. Yeah. Nice to know. Nice to know. Nice to know. Right in there. Nothing should happen. Oh. Tell me, boys. This is not what we look for. Previous day low. Old low. Protected low to retail. Previous day low. Old low. Protected low to retail. Bird until liquidity right there. We could take out Asia high. We could. Do we need to? We don't. Now, what I need to see, CISD right now. Are these relative equal highs? Yes, they are. Can price create more value? Does this look like the max volume I've ever seen? Like volume like this? Does that look like that volume? No. Can it just create volume like this? And let me show. Can it just do this? Yes, that's what I can see. I can see it create a lot of volume. If you want to see when highs get freaking like an actual manipulation league. Boom. Am I just magical or what? Now these are old. I mean, relative equal highs. Just had that V shape. We have all that liquidity down there. We just had that stop over that. I'm gonna aim down for previous day low. Now I actually do want to see a CISD. Putting me to concern or anything. Why do I want to see a CISD? Because we're not in New York Hill Zone Open as of right now. We just created these equal highs, so I'm not gonna try to predict the market and say, well, because it's IVG, we're gonna go down over there. This high can still get manipulated. These highs can still get ran through. So I need to see my CISD first. So discount right there, and that tells me that our highs are protected. We should not go down to the minus. Okay, we're touching it back. That's fine. First objective hit. It's not a 1-to-1 yet. Previous day low. That low. I would take it out 1-to-1. Alright, fill that commission with that. Freaking $7. Perfect. Now we did all that waiting. We skipped like every single day. We skipped 2 days. Can you wait 2 days to take this? Every single week we got something. We got 3 right here on this week. 1 right here. Oh, I see. Breaking a week. Can you skip a week? And that's what the market is literally coded to do to you, bro. It knows human psychology. It has mastered it. It has made it. 1 day, okay, cool. 2 days, I'm getting patient. Because this is 24 hours we're talking about. Like, if you look at the market, for 24 hours straight, you are going to get exhausted. That's why you need to have an objective, and if it's not there, you don't look at it. if I sit here for 24 hours straight just looking at this day, I'm gonna be exhausted for this day. I'm gonna say maybe he's gonna do the same exact thing as this. I'm impatient now. You need to. Is it there? No, it's not there. Let me get off. Is it there? No, it's not there. Let me get off. Is it there? Keep that mental capital, bro. Up 7 in this bit. My life has changed. So first week, I want to go by week. Can I go by week? I really do want to go by week, but listen, first week. Alright, first week 2,000, second week 1,000, third week 1,000, break even. That's 5K. Sometimes I'm a genie sometimes, bro. With this stuff. CISD all the way down to that low. And then let's see where's that. It's all that all the way. That's tough. You want to demand something with price. If it's not there, then stop being married to the stuff, bro. Really have a demanding type of whatever. Like I said, I wanted to see SCID now, and then I pull the trigger. I'm not gonna say like if it kept on running up, I'm not gonna be married to this draw. If it kept on running up, I'm not gonna be married to this. There's no need. I'm probably just gonna go the next day. The fact that I did it so early, credit that CISD, tell me very early on. But that's where we're going. My whole life has changed since you came in. So deep in blue. That was so tough. My whole life has changed. Anyway, next day. I have a lot of mental capital though, because I keep on just okay. Nothing I really see. Could it do some like I'm doing? Could it do something? If it doesn't do it at the time I anticipated to do it, then I'm not gonna sit here and try to keep on looking. That's how you force a trade. If it's not there at the time you want it, I simple it down to London kill zone, New York kill zone. I need to see where people have the stop losses at, where they really feel safe that it's gonna, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, I can see people having the stop loss down here. They've been buying all day. They thinking, okay, this is gonna for sure just continue up. But I can see that. Now, what I want to demand? I want to demand something within this range of time to do quick manipulation, right? And then I want to see something like that. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. But this range of time, why am I just picking this randomly? Oh, well, it's just a pattern in my head. I ain't gonna lie. What am I lying to you? It just, what's the time? That time is 4:40. That's valid for me. So let's just see what it does. We don't have no flame manipulation, but we run to that low anyway. It's fine. Could I have? I don't. Maybe. I don't freaking know. That's another V shape that worked. V shape CISD. Okay, so that could have worked. But it's just to the point where I'm like, I want to trade no more. Until my objective, I'm cool. I keep on looking, bro, until it tells me, man, stop looking. Stop looking at this point, you know what I'm saying? But keep watching. What is it? 5 o'clock. Is anything happening at 5 o'clock? Nope. We're gonna wait until New York kill zone. Nothing. It's nothing. We just took out that low, which is previously low, if I'm not mistaken. And there's nothing. There's nothing too clear besides this. V shape. Another V shape that worked. This V shape is working, man. Sometimes. Dude, these are relative equal lows. Relative equal old lows. Okay, that worked. Now I do like these highs. Right there. I want to wait to see if they get old or not. Or we just instantly retrace into them. Perfect. Now I either want to see a V shape, or stop onto CISD, or stop onto IVG. Alright, we just take it out now. Well, that's a V shape. I'm gonna read it. If this one wins, I'm gonna start trusting V shapes. Psst. Well, that wasn't a clean V shape actually, but perfect. Well, is that not a V shape? Alright, cool. Alright, you see how it's just sloppy. We're not in the kill zone no more. It doesn't need to take it out. Yeah, get the heck out of my screen. Oh, next day. Oh, alright, you tell me. Where do people have the stop loss at? Come on, bro. Except you think people have the stop loss at? Yeah. Or do you think people are trying to predict this reversal? Come on, you think the market will reverse for a high like that? Be honest. Kills one open. V-shape. Now I have taken things like this before, so. Well, it's just, I can show you right now. With literally just market open. Where's it at? No, that's not it. It was literally just market open or kills on right here. Kills on open. And then instant, reverse it to the highs, to the objective. It's not the same stuff. Open, instant reverse to the highs. Five minutes. Alright. I can say could it manipulate? Could. We got a V-shape, CISD. I'm cool with that. If it could do this, then I'll be mad that I took that loss. Because I already predict that I can do that. But I doubt it will. Yeah. So you think price will either want to buy or sell at this low? I keep on hearing that from ICT. We have always sweep the buys. Do you think smart money will want to buy or sell at this low? Alright, cool, never mind. Looks like nothing's gonna happen until the next kill zone. Near kill zone. Nothing. Same thing from here. Is it not? This is what I ideally want to see. Elevate down there to go up to there. Anything else I'm not going to try to predict. I want to have a reason to take out these highs. And for this to be the reason. Right. You think I can't catch nothing right here? You crazy. Oh, don't give me something like this. Oh my gosh. %. They appreciate right now. It's not giving me none. That is SMT. This is not a V shape. Can it stop me out right now? It could, but it will struggle to. And I will hope it struggles to. This will be a valid loss. I don't need to see the CIST. I don't. Why? Stop hunt. Right, enough for CE. And where's IPG to clear target? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I was feeling anxiety though when I entered. I ain't gonna lie. Because I had every single feeling in my body that said it's gonna. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I still took it because of the logic, but it's completely fine. Nah, I'll take that every time. Frick you. Anyway. Another one. That's SMT, isn't it? Sure it is SMT. See how we're just struggling to close passes. 1 hour, we have that high. We have those equal highs. We are in a premium. But we just had this. Huh. I want to see it do right now. See how it's not. Ferrari gap created with that. That seems valid to me. It does. Could it? It could. It's just not no kill zone anymore. So this is force actually. And no kill zone, no trade. This was in kill zone. Next day. And then on loss, that's fine. Wow. Wow. Tell me right now. You tell me. Oh my gosh, come on. Let's be real. Be real with me, man. I'm not picking this out of market price. It can keep this open to these lows. I would need to see a specific type of thing. Let's close below that. Strike you. Yeah, fit that. But I know what I'm looking for though. I'll be real. I know exactly what I'm looking for. What the f is this? What is this? I would need to see. Maybe one of these get took. Kill takes that. And reshape takes that. Alright. Could rebalance or something like this, or reprice it. Alright, I'm just gonna watch price. Obviously, I have no heavy bias. No resistance took. Wow. Okay. So now we're just trolling. Frank. I didn't. Okay, cool. Perfect. So now we're just trolling. I like this. Low resistance quickly took inside of a Ferrari gap. Inside of this Ferrari gap, you see that price should do one or two things. Rebalance to equilibrium of this daily range. Looks like we are bullish. Yeah. So basically, the only thing I want to see is CIT from here. Ew, them lows looks. No, I'm not buying from them lows. I refuse to. Nice. What do I need to see now? That's CISD. If I don't get that CISD, I'm not taking it. Yeah, alright, cool. I'm still gonna keep them lows in mind for sure, no doubt. If we are truly bullish, this should stay. If we are truly bullish, this should stay open. We should not retest this order block if we're truly bullish to these highs. That's how I go on my stuff. I know your heart is in the right place. You know I won't let you down. Yeah, freak that. Ooh. Why did I see that the first time? Still though. What is this? Get the frick out of this game. Took out that buy side, reacting down, Bishop reverse moon that bit. To that obvious sell side. Not the biggest fan, but looks good. Me, she ain't all the way down to there. Did not realize that, but we did shoot that. We also tap them lows that were not the oldest. They're not the oldest. They're not the oldest of lows. Alright, so we tap back into that. And we just get that expansion down. And that kills on. That's fine. I don't usually like when it's just passes like this. When it's just one and then takes time, shut down, and then two. I don't like that. The reason why I don't is because when it just passes S2, the best thing I want to see is this. We have immediate rebounces. Then I'll take it. Or we have something like this. Create a high right here. And then immediately bounce to it. High again. Let me make that better. Create a high. Immediately bounce. And high. No, we immediately bounce. Then we just be lower. This took 1,000 years. Chop. Tag. Okay. Let's go. We could have easily left that high. Like if we would have did something like this, but just whatever. Then I'll be like, okay, people would now have confidence in this alone. No doubt. Anyway. Yeah, that's what I'll be guessing we're going to. freaking out. I doubt anything else would happen. London. 15. There's my target. So previous day is my target. London is my target as well. And these lows. I get a 15-minute. Right there. Could still rebound to that, but this is my intraday target as of right now. It's the same thing as yesterday, but I mean, shoot, I could take it down to there. Nice CIST. I need to see that CIST and I'll take it. Nope. Let's keep on continuing high. CIST don't matter when we have this. I'm just gonna be honest. It don't matter when you got that. This thing nobody else out of it. Come on now. Yeah, of course I see that I can manipulate it. Now this high is very old. If that's gonna be my side, I would need to see it. Sweep that. Reshape instantly. Nope. Just go nothing low. Okay, nice sweep. Sweep that. Right there. And okay, now we have that. Buy side. Come on. If I'm not taking this, come on, I'm taking this. Crazy. Why? Buy side sweep. Pretty eagle highs. That's why I'm taking it. But oh, I hate that we left that. But it's fine because it's a one of these joints. So buys I took. Inverse it after I got. We got very old lows. 2 target. I feel like it's a 50-50 trade. I can win or lose. It's not in the kill zone, so I'm not really. Okay, it's in 630. That can pass the kill zone, but sometimes. God bless me. What's the last time I took? What? Oh, yeah, because whatever. Oh, yeah, this right here. 2. It's my first time taking 2, no? Indeed, it is my first time. 3rd of April. On a Tuesday. That could have been it, but and I'm guessing we just go right to those, right? That's not a good one still. We still just go right to them. Alright, anyway. My whole life has changed. Wow. Oh my gosh. Come on, it's not over yet, I said. It's not over yet. And I'm assuming where it's gonna go. Oh shit, no man. It did, yes it is. Guys, please don't give me that bull. Nice momentum. CSD. What time is it? 7:40. Alright, that was a nice time, boys. Frick. I just like that though. What the is this? Bro. I hike want to see something better than that because we're not in it. Perfect. Why? Because we're not in like a kill zone fully. Which is 740 is fine, but I can see it like because we're not in a kill zone. I can see it just wicking and then like continue down. But that wasn't a wick. I need to see a 5. That 5's yeah. Jeez. I know you belong to someone. Nah, at this point, I should be able to take anything. I just want to, cause I know that's a draw, you know. So I just want to see if we can take that and then boom. Can I get a 1-to-1? I can. So many ways to love you. Okay, we know what's happening. Why don't you even tap me in, bruv? So 1-to-1 would have had, but not that. Right. Oh my god, I doubt we're gonna do anything. Let's see, 15. See 30. Oh, alright. Oh, that's all I want to see. Come on. Come on now. 30. Overextension. Did I get that blind on anybody? Alright. Potential. Want to see you first nation. Please give me a second. Okay. Oh, now because how old it is, I will literally need to see some of us right now. SMT. I hate trading outside of kill zone. Being completely honest. Cannot lose. That can lose. It's not the best thing I've seen all my life. Now that's the best thing I've seen all my life. See, I still like that. Again. And there's gonna be times where you have to accept that, bro. There's gonna be complete times where you just have to accept that. You know? There's nothing you can do. Comes with it, bro. So why did I take this, but I was confident after this? Because that in itself is already CSD. With a strong close like this, one candle like that, that's already telling me that we don't need to take out this low. Like that's a form of CSD. If you don't know, now you know. But I've seen that happen multiple times, so that's what I took it. If you haven't seen that happen, don't know, take my word, bro. These hours get past. This is Tuesday again. Notice. Just notice one thing, bro. The mental capital is feeling drained because I got stopped out like this. But notice it's only been 2 days. Imagine live market. This is why it's so important. Because you're sitting there on live market for hours on end. I just missed, 2 days, but I can skip 2 days like nothing. It's only been what? An hour, look at it. It's been an hour. Now imagine people that just trade for a straight hour. They're gonna be drained. It's over. If you take 100 trades an hour, I remember I used to look at the market like this. Let's go now. So it created that, right? Where this is creating high lows. It's going down right now. And I have my indicator, my EMA. It's just like that. I'm literally like this. Look how they changed this stuff. They changed it. It used to be like this. Come on, bro. I just read that. Okay, now it's getting higher, low. I want to sell like this. And that was the most you can have, bro. God bless. God bless me, baby. I'm so happy, I'm so happy, baby. I don't know. If it's outside of a kill zone, if it's late in the kill zone, my oh my baby. It's okay. What was I just about to do? Sorry, I should just. Alright, let me continue. I think we're done for the day. Oh, no, this my lie. Oh yeah, nah, we're not freaking done. You crazy? That's optional. It doesn't have to do it. CE of that. Probably spending so much time. You freaking prick. Anyway. This is optional as well. But if it does, I need to see instant. Right. That's how it kills on now. Money's gonna get taken. And I'm not here to try to predict. Come on, I'm like, come on, come on, let's be honest. I mean, can we just be honest here, bro? What are we doing? What are we doing? That's perfectly long. That is 4 hour, and that is Asia. I've never sound with Asia in my life. Is what ICT said. I'm never selling. What time is it actually? Come on, let's be honest. I'm saying I'm not trusting it to go down until what? The kill's over. Like, let's be honest. I'm just not. You see, could have avoided this chop. Frick. What the are we doing? GBB. Okay, never mind. You're valid. Check out that. This has been synced. Even greater for I am right there. We didn't close like that. Minutes USD. 15 minutes USD. Right at 8 o'clock. We have that low, which is just a old low. Now, I'm not stupid. I'm really not. Because of the eagle eyes. Disgusting, actually. And I'm not mad at either one of these. In fact, if I can see it, I'll take it. These ones are more of a threat to me. And let's see what that. No need. This is the trickiest it can really get. There's just no draw, and it's like this is literally the trickiest you can see. It's literally mentally whatever. God. Friday. Average out. This is actually perfect. I couldn't even lie to you. Same stuff as last time. Now we get stopped out or break even on this one. And 2 again. Do we have a clear start? Huh. SMT'd. Okay, we actually break the SMT. Alright. We took out the sell side first, question mark. We do. Okay, that's actually perfect. Whatever this is, what is this? A daily. I'll keep it there for fun, for visuals. And now what I need to see right now is quite likely a storm. So this is still valid to go on. Let me see this. Maybe test on that. CISD, downwards candles, and that is most likely to draw. If this is not the draw, then it's a loss. But if it is, that's such a clear draw though, no. Come on. It's the clearest of draws, bro. How the frick would it not? Like, why the frick would it not hit it? When all the period at CSD just did not hit it. It would make no sense to me. There you go. It felt like it been almost a week, but it's only been 3 days. So what's that? I'm mostly not general. Yeah. Such a clear draw. I mean, it's 3 o'clock. It's freaking London kills on 3 o'clock. I don't know why I want to hit. why like it kills him like this. I don't. I could have lost. I'll be real. I could have, but I doubt. Was that hourly? No, it wasn't. Good. It's going up slowly but surely, man. Wait, up. Wait, up. It's like up. Wait, down, up, up, down, up. Wait, up, wait. Whoa, up. Wait, up, down, up. Wait, up. Wait, up. Wait, up. Up. Wait, up. Wait. Down. Wait, down. Up. Wait, down. Up. Wait, up. Wait, up. Wait, up. Wait, up. I don't know how to do that. Should I cut it short? Yeah, I should cut it short right there, huh?